Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. Today we will talk about multimedia system and the new one, and I want to show you a little bit about everything. So here on the side, this one it's on the Hyundai Tucson, but it's almost the same on all other models. So here on the side we have the buttons, the radio, media, tracking, and the audio. There we have the map, navigation, and setup, and favorite. So first time I want to show you something, that the map here, if you touch the map, you can also go in the map, and you can see here you have the option to go into display from here. Navigation, here you have the volume, the way you want to have it. Here you have the distance, auto, or how you want to see it. Here you have traffic, if you want to see traffic, no information about traffic. Nearby, for example, you want to go to petrol station, restaurant, and all kind of stuff. For example, parking, the shopping, you want to go to shopping, grocery shopping, and this is works so fast and so good. The processor behind this display, it's really good, and the resolution of the display, it's pretty nice. It's not glossy, it's kind of matte, but it's good. They work really well. Not perfect, not like in the Mercedes or in the Volkswagen, but it's work pretty good and pretty fast, and it's charge fast. That's important. It's charged really fast. For example, you want to go to the Migros, for example, 1 kilometer, you push it, and look at this, you push directly, and then it's go. It's so fast. Look at this, it's super fast, and it tell you all kind of information. It's really easy to use. Start guidance, and then it's pretty great. You see here all kind of information. It's really easy to use, to see from here, from the driver point, the position. It's great, and it's really nice. I like it very much. So you can see traffic, but I don't think it's connected to the internet, and then it's so easy to stop the guidance and stuff like that. You can actually use it at touch screen. You can see how many kilometers are from here to Rome or to Italy or wherever you want to go, for example. It's really nice. Really, it gives you a lot of information about everything. So now, if you go to, for example, here, you can see it's small, and you can see where is the north, west, and stuff like that. So you can also have there the time. So this is pretty great. A lot of information. Now you can use it also with this one here, with this wheel. If you want to go further and closer, it's much easier than with the fingers. It's much easier like that. So that's the navigation. It's perfect, it's simple, it's intuitive and easy to use. And then if you go to, for example, navigation here, if you press the navigation, when you are there, you can put the address for Hyundai service, coordinate, and all kind of information about that. And you can see the route options, and you can change the route options, faster, motorway use, and all kind of information. Just have to press here, and you have all the information right there in front of you. So pretty easy, nice to use. Okay, wait, we finish with navigation. Here you can put the favorite, different stuff, for example radio, and the other stuff that you have on the favorite. The setup here, you can see you have on the setup the navigation, that you can have different setting about guidance, and also you can use it from here. And then you have the sound, you have the display, and information about display. You have the Bluetooth and the phone. You have the handy, for example, here you can connect it with Android or Apple CarPlay. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Wi-Fi, you can connect the car to the Wi-Fi, and the date and time, language, keyboard, you can actually change it. Screensaver, advanced, and system info. Advanced, here we have the radio, custom buttons, steering wheel, how you want to use the buttons, and my data. So it's really intuitive and simple. Here you can update, and you have other information about the car. So guys, that was really easy, and this was my review about this multimedia system. If you have question, don't hesitate to ask me, and I wait you back to the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I wait you back, guys. Thank you. Bye.